5 Best Organic Carpet Cleaners. Finding the best carpet cleaner can be a timely task, but when you narrow the search to organic carpet cleaners, it gets even trickier. It's no wonder that more and more consumers are searching for organic cleaning solutions, because who wants harmful and toxic chemicals left behind on the surfaces in their home? Believe it or not, you can achieve the same level of clean, while using less harsh, more gentle ingredients. There are a variety of organic carpet cleaners on the market, but which ones are most effective? We have reviewed the top and highly rated options for you, to make your decision-making process slightly easier. Whether you're a busy family with young kids who you want to protect from harmful chemicals, a pet owner who is looking for a pet-friendly carpet cleaner, or just someone who is looking to minimize their carbon footprint, we recommend the following products, as effective organic carpet cleaners, that will remove messes and odors without all the toxic damage that other cleaners often leave behind. But before we dive into the video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss out on any of our future fascinating videos. 1. Carpet Miracle, Carpet Cleaner and Deodorizer. When you use Carpet Miracle's Carpet Cleaner and Deodorizer, not only are you driving away tough stains and odors, you're also giving back. Carpet Miracle donates 10% of all profits to help animals, which is a pretty great added perk. This product has the ability to clean and deodorize carpet and upholstery back to its original condition, leaving it softened with no trace of messes. This solution can be used with carpet cleaning machines, or on by itself for smaller messes. Not only is it safe to use on carpets, but also other surfaces like rugs, water-safe furniture, and car upholstery. The Carpet Miracle Carpet Cleaner and Deodorizer provides a pet and child-friendly formula, because of its safe and non-toxic ingredients. This earth-friendly solution may have a gentle formula, but can still provide the strength that is required to match any mess in your way. This product comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, so this is a no-risk purchase. We recommend this organic carpet cleaner because of its hard-hitting results, deep stain removing capabilities, and because each bottle helps benefit animals in need. With a money-back guarantee, there's nothing to lose. 2. Purisy Natural Carpet and Upholstery Shampoo. The Purisy Natural Carpet and Upholstery Shampoo is a highly rated and top-quality product that can provide a number of benefits. This plant-based formula is made in the USA with only the best and most trusted ingredients, ensuring that there are no harsh chemicals. Purisy promises a professional level of stain and odor removal, at a fraction of the cost with their all-natural product. This organic carpet cleaner is powerful and deep cleaning, all while remaining gentle for the consumer and the carpet. This solution is 4 times concentrated, which not only gives you more bang for your buck, but also reduces plastic and energy waste by up to 75%. Its advanced cleaning technology leaves your carpets feeling soft, new, and free of any unpleasant odors. We love this product because it's reliable, earth-friendly, cruelty-free, and guaranteed to provide professional results. Give it a try and see for yourself. 3. BioClean Carpet and Rug Shampoo. We recommend the BioClean Carpet and Rug Shampoo as an all-around excellent choice if you're looking for a safe, reliable, and non-toxic product to use on your carpets. This organic carpet cleaner is highly rated among consumers, because of its quality ingredients, and ability to clean up even the worst of messes. This product is scent-free, plant-based, and safe for use around pets. BioClean Carpet and Rug Shampoo is also safe on all washable fibers, and guarantees to be gentle on backings and pads. This organic carpet cleaner is highly concentrated, and can yield a generous amount of solution from just one bottle. The natural extracts of this product act tough on stains, without leaving behind harmful odors, or chemicals, which is why it's a top recommendation, especially for families and pet owners. Are you looking to keep your carpets free of dust and bacteria? If so, give BioClean a try. 4. Nature's Miracle Oxy Formula. You may be familiar with the brand Nature's Miracle, for their reliable and organic cleaning products, but have you ever tried their Oxy formula? If you're a pet owner, this just may be the best option for you. This orange Oxy formula has the ability to quickly and effectively lift and remove stains and odors from the source. Nature's Miracle Oxy Formula Carpet Cleaner is best known for removing pesky stains like pet urine, dirt, feces, and other unmentionable messes that are created by our furry friends. While this product is best used on carpets, it can also be used on hard surfaces, kennels, carriers, and even clothing. Its organic formula ensures that it's safe to use around your pet, while still removing the messes that come along with them. With its convenient spray bottle and pleasant orange scent, we recommend trying this product to put your pet's next mess to the test. 5. Babyganics Floor Cleaner Concentrate. This carpet cleaner is perfect for busy families, and those who have tiny tots crawling around at home. Babyganics provides a safe yet effective floor and carpet cleaner, that is tough enough to clean up messes, but gentle enough for your baby. This product is cruelty-free and made with plant-based ingredients, ensuring that you aren't introducing toxic and dangerous chemicals into your home, for your baby to come in contact with. This carpet cleaner doubles as a floor cleaner, that can be used on a number of different surfaces including vinyl, porcelain, tile, and hardwood. It's also fragrance-free. This organic carpet cleaner is so highly reviewed because of its reliability and safe ingredients. It's been tested by both pediatricians and dermatologists, guaranteeing that it's made with only the safest of ingredients. This cleaner is highly concentrated, and one bottle will make 8 gallons of solution. We recommend this carpet cleaner to busy parents, with even busier babies. So, that's it from our side. Let us know your views in the comments section down below. Also, please don't forget to like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content like today. We hope you enjoyed our video and we will see you next time.